Basit Ali highlights Virat Kohli as Australia's main focus in the 2024 Border Gavaskar Trophy. He urges other Indian players to capitalise on scoring opportunities. With Shubman Gill out due to injury, Ali recommends Dhruv Jurel step in and bat at no. 3. The Delhi District Cricket Association is undergoing a remarkable transformation under Rohan Jaitley's leadership. From financial instability to improved infrastructure and player support, Jaitley has revitalized the organization, ensuring Delhi cricket remains a powerhouse in India. The 2020-21 Border Gavaskar Trophy marked a turning point in Indian cricket, with India defeating Australia 2-1. Key players like Virat Kohli and Jasprit Bumrah remain pivotal today, while others like Wriddhiman Saha have moved on, reflecting the evolving landscape of cricket. Babar Azam, once celebrated as Pakistan's batting star, is under fire due to poor form, averaging just 18.5 in tests this year. Stripped of captaincy, he has an opportunity to rebuild his game by focusing on fitness, domestic cricket, and power-hitting skills. Former Australian pacer Mitchell Johnson has urged Virat Kohli to score a century in the upcoming Border Gavaskar Trophy. With Kohli's form under scrutiny, this could be his last Test series in Australia, starting 22 November in Perth. David Warner expresses concern for Australia ahead of the Border Gavaskar Trophy, fearing a resurgence from Virat Kohli. Despite recent struggles, Warner believes Kohli thrives in Australia, having scored 6 centuries there. Australia aims to end a decade-long wait for a Test series win against India. In a rain-affected second ODI, Kushal Mendis led Sri Lanka to a 3-wicket victory over New Zealand, scoring 74 not out. With this win, Sri Lanka takes a 2-0 lead in the series, having previously won the first ODI by 45 runs. Former Australia player Justin Langer expressed confidence in Virat Kohli, urging fans not to write him off ahead of the Border Gavaskar Trophy 2024. Kohli has struggled this season, but Langer believes he will rise to the occasion in what may be his last series in Australia. Babar Azam's recent performance has raised concerns in Pakistan cricket. Dropped from the tests against England, he managed only 37, 15 and 28 runs in ODIs against Australia. With the final T20I approaching, he needs 81 runs to become the highest T20I run scorer. Ex-India captain Sourav Ganguly has publicly backed head coach Gautam Gambhir, who faced backlash from former Australian players over his comments on Ricky Ponting. Ganguly emphasised the need to allow Gambhir to work without undue criticism, especially after recent losses.